Nenekurwa ase county ya Nyamira abanyanyimbo begetaseni kya Nyamira nigo bachakiri obutuki ase ebikole bibere ebyamakweli yobututukano ebi byakolekana imeye chinsemo au anene imeye sublocation ya Enchoro ime ye location ya Busamaro masaba ebunge ya West Mugirango nigo emibere y'abasacha abo babere yabagekuirwa gwika ase enkendu yenyagitari ya Nyamira anene ekero obutuki bogenderete erikoenekya ningikererete ogosira kwabo ase ensemo entang'ani ase ekenyorogia Enchoro ase eriet ase omusacha oyomo ase erieta Eric Omwenga niga bakagusira obogima bwaye ase chinchera chiobotutukano nabo igo ase egekore kende ekio giakorekana ase ekenyorokia Nyagenke ase omusacha oyomo oyo omanyekanite muna Philip Ongisa abakagusiria obogima bwaye wetera ase okwerusia bomoyo wetera ase okonywa ensumu kolengana no sub-county police commander Nyamira South ase Elieta Bernard Atesa nigo atebirubuna obutuki igoro y'amakweria yo nigo bwachakire erikoene kibuna bali bonsi gose erikoene kibuna nyagosira nkonyora bale obwene bwabo kubwatekana no gosira kwabo nabo igo nigabere gakuburia abantu bonsi gukwanira emechanderi bagwetera erikoene kibuna ebikore buna ebyo weita mbiri kogendera komentekana mono ase chinsemo au.
Today, the 5th of January 2021, we have had two unfortunate incidents of death within Bosomaro, Masaba location, Enchoro sublocation, and Nyangenge village, as well as Enchoro village. The first incident involved someone called Eric Mokaya Omwenga, 39 years old. The deceased had a court case at Nyamira Law Court, and he was to attend court today. According to the wife, in the morning he felt sick, and he requested a boda to take him to Oasis Hospital in Mosobeti for medical care. He was taken, and on the way, the deceased requested the boda rider to stop so that he may relieve himself. Unfortunately, after relieving himself, he collapsed and died. The second incident involved somebody called Philip Ongisa Onguko, aged around 41 years, of Nyangenge village. The officers also attended the scene, and it was established that he had taken poison. Both bodies are now reserved at Nyamira Referral Hospital, awaiting postmortem and further investigation. I wish to advise members of the public, even if they have problems, at least let them consult or talk to each other so that such incidents do not happen again. Of course, I'm aware there are illicit brews within Nyamira sub-county, especially Enchoro sublocation. We warn members of the public not to take these illicit brews and second generation brews because they are harmful to their health. Meanwhile, we shall intensify our raids so that we eliminate that menace within that area.